Hey folks, we're looking at the Frank Keller portfolio in the April 21 Railfan and Railroad magazine, and I was looking at this nice picture of the daylight excursion train up on the BNSF up in Montana in 2004, and it had a pretty good shot of the, try to keep this out of the shadow, but it's that converted baggage car that railfans get to use to record and both video from outside and sound recording. And I'd always thought, I should probably make one of those because it's always seen on the daylight excursions. And talking about photo recreations, I thought I'd make one. And then there's another perfect picture in here I might do one of these days. There's a neat picture at Cajon Pass. Steve Jessup took this one with the Kodachrome, a couple of SPs. It's got an ex-Amtrak GP40 in silver paint. I don't have one of those, but I got the Rio Grande Jeep. So I might make one of those someday. But on to the matter at hand. So when I was making this, I had a couple of used parts left over, and I'll show you what I used with them. So here is my car. Got an eager Railfan. All I did was, this is, and for my son, no, it's not one of your good cars. This was just a extra daylight car I had picked up for the express purpose of being that baggage car. So all I did for here was I just cut the door out, smoothed it off, glued a guy inside, and then I had these a thing of stop signs. I'll hold them out here a little bit. That I had put on the layout I had laying around, and I realized that that signpost would be the exact width of what they used. I think they were 2x6s that I remember being on the car to keep you from falling out. And so I glued those on, and with the extra stop sign, our man who was always flagging with just a little paddle, well, now he's flagging with a stop sign. And then just glued another guy down. I'll show you the other side. So here we have another enthusiastic Railfan. He's kind of hanging out the top, and he's dressed in engineer garb. Not my style, but hey, whatever. But let's take a look at him running around for a second, see how he looks. Now, usually there's a bunch of Railfans hanging out of there, but we had room for one, so we'll just see how he looks. Doesn't look too bad. That's the classic following the daylight helicopter shot, which I have quite a few videos of anyway. Not too bad. Didn't cost me anything. Used parts I had on hand. We'll talk to you later.